frankly, we've got to transform the economy to being a 24/7 economy. And the best way of doing that is using digital technology alongside human resource to achieve that. So I think I think it's absolutely critical that we embrace digital technology, and I think it'll actually be the key for us to remain competitive in a number of different sectors. I don't think there are many occupations in New Zealand, full stop, now, where you could actually be fully functioning without digital skills. But I think manufacturing is going to be key. Everything we've talked about in terms of Industry 4 is going to require people to have both, I guess, what you would describe as some of the traditional trade skills, but digitally enabled. And I've said, forget the word recovery. Let's focus on transformation, because recovery just gets us back to where we were before, without being too cute about it. Transformation is going to get us to where we really need to be in the future. And so, I think that's exactly the right language to be using. Examples like Rocket Lab prove that, it can be as big as your vision, wants to be. I can remember when I first met with Peter Beck when I was at the Ministry of Science and Innovation, and he took me through some of his ideas. So I think, this is a time for bold vision. We've got 16% of our energy supply that was previously supplying an aluminium smelter in Bluff that's going to be available for use. We've got the biggest brain gain that New Zealand's ever experienced of actually returning New Zealanders with experience and qualifications that are available for our workforce. So I think we can significantly expand the manufacturing sector, and both in terms of output and in terms of value. I think we can plug ourselves into the Australian supply chains a lot more strongly. Manufacturing growth is a big focus for Australia, and from a CER point of view, we're part of that economy. So I don't underestimate the challenges, but I think there are some significant prizes for us if we really embrace it and we drive it hard. And certainly, from an EMA and Business New Zealand network perspective, we're absolutely up for that challenge.